Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm Shahid, just back to share with you how to change the wiper for Toyota Venza. And this car has the two wipers. This is called passenger size wiper, and if you see here closely, you see this is already broken. The water is not properly cleaned by this wiper. As a result, you see these marks here. It stays here, so I need to change this wiper blade. And also for this side, this is called driver side wiper, and this is also kind of broken in these areas, and it is also not cleaning properly. So I bought Michelin wipers. See, this is the driver side wiper. Passenger side wiper is 22. To open the, you see this clip, just you need to open this clip like this, and that's it. You don't need to do any other thing, and a little bit squeeze it on the other side and push it back, and you are done. It's open. See how easy this is. This is the new one. Now I'm gonna open the new packet. In the packet you'll find a lot of small items. This is one of the attachment. You are not going to need these things. Just you can keep on the side. Look for the second one. Not going to need this. This is the third one. You also not going to need this. This is your wiper, and you just need to put it inside and click it. See, this is how you're gonna put it inside. Take it out, put it in, and push it. Okay, here you go, ready to go. This is the new one. This is for the passenger side. Let's move to the passenger side. We first need to open this lock. See, this is the lock. After opening the lock, just push it towards backwards and it's open. It's magic. Put it here and we'll take the new one. See, just the same way. You need to put the lock inside first. Now pull. See the clicking sound? This sound, there is a clip here. When you pull it, this clicking sound will come, and you know that this is done, and you are done. One final check to make sure this is stable. Yes, this is stable as well. Yes, let's do it. As I said earlier, my friends, changing the wipers is very easy. Just you need some effort and you need to know what to do. I want to say that if this helped you, please like my video. If you have any comments, you can write those comments in the comment section. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me. Please subscribe my channel. I will see you next time.